Welcome. Today I'll be showing you how to impute trading indicators and tools using your MT5 app only. Remember, this training is for beginners, okay? So if you're in this channel, it is believed that you're a beginner in Forex trading. So this video is to show you how you can impute any indicator or use any tools in your trading app, especially your MT5. So let's dive into it quickly. First thing we need to do, locate our trading app. Just give it a sec. Okay, I think the network is really bad. Let me try to connect to my Wi-Fi. Okay, let's go. Sorry about that, guys. The network here is really bad. Okay. The network is bad. Let's try again. Okay, guys, I think it's loading. All right, so this is a demo account. This is not a live account. I've showed you guys how to open a demo account in a previous video in this particular channel. Okay, so all we need to do, we are not here for trading, we're just here to learn how to impute our indicator, okay, or tools in our trading app, which is MT5. So let's dive into it. Okay, the network is really bad here. Today I was actually trying to trade up on BTC with my demo account, testing one strategy. So okay, let's dive into why we're here. So how to impute indicators in this chart. Okay, like if you look here, you see this line that follows the movement of my chart. How do we impute indicators in our chart? So let's get into it. Now if you look above your screen, you're going to be seeing something like plus, F, and shapes joined together. Okay, so what we want to do for indicator, the sign that shows F is where you impute your indicator. So when you click on it, you're going to get to another portfolio that shows you your indicator. What comes after is edit. The next thing is main window. Now you can see the indicator I'm using in this chart. The first indicator I'm using is moving average, and the second one is zigzag. So let's look at them. Our moving average is this line here. Let me use my pick 2, and okay, you see this line here moving, this line following my chart. This line is a line there following my chart. That's our moving average. Then our zigzag is this straight line move following the direction of my chart too. That is the zigzag indicator. Okay, the zigzag indicators. All right, so those are the indicator I'm using for this particular chart. Okay, so now let me show you how to impute and how to remove indicators. If you want to remove this indicator, all you need to do is click on edit, then click on minus, then you're out of it. Okay, but if you want to add more indicators to this chart, you just click on plus, which is the main window. You click on it and they will show you so many indicators. All you need to do is for trends has to do with the movements of the chart. When you talk about trends, you know, like here you see that the market is moving on, that's a trend, either an uptrend or a buy trend. Okay, now this zigzag is among a trend. If you look at it, you see zigzag is the last trend. They have different ones: average directional movement index, Bollinger bands, envelopes, or you know, other ones. Moving average, they are all trends. Okay, oscillations, average through range, bear power, bulls power, commodity channel index, D market, Forex index, so many of them. And for volumes, they have plenty of them, and so on. Okay, so now your strategy has to work in hand with your indicators. Okay, so now if you're using price action, I will advise you use trends. Okay, so that is why you can only see moving average and zigzag in my trend, in my charts. Okay, so this is how you, any charts, any indicator you want to use here, this is how you're going to impute it. Just come here, click on it, and it will reflect here. Once you click on it, it will reflect in your chart here. Okay, now these indicators can also be edited. Okay, so once you click on them, just hold on them, they are going to take you to another portfolio where you can edit these indicators. Okay, all you need to do is just, you know, arrange them the way you want. You can either change the color to any color. All you need to do is click on this circle that has so many colors. Once you click on it, they'll take you to the color, you know, theme. You just have to click on any of them and you're good to go. So that is it. Then when you're done, you click done, then it's going to change to how you edited it. Okay, so that is it for indicator. Now how to add objects, lines, trend lines, horizontal line, shapes, rectangle, circle, how to add those lines in your chart. This is how you do it. You click on this symbol that has shapes on it. When you click on it, then you're going to come to another portfolio where you see add object, add text. All you need to do is very simple. All you need to do is click on the shapes you want. Once you click on the shapes you want, then once you click on the shapes, let's say you click on this rectangle, you come to your chart, a sign is going to pop up at the right hand top of your screen. Once you click your screen, it's going to show. Okay, then you can move it around your charts anyhow you want it. You can move it around your charts, okay, and use it for anything you want to do in your chart. So that is how this one works. Any shapes you want to put at all, you can equally put them. All right, okay, so this is it. This is how you add objects, okay, in your chart. You have vertical line, horizontal line, trend by angle, circle lines, arrow lines, and more. Okay, so that is just it. If you want to add text too, then when you click on the add text, they're going to bring out another portfolio where you fill in the text. You can add let's say you add trend. Okay, so this is it. You just tap on your screen and it's going to show. Then you can move it as well. Just click on the red dot and move it anywhere around the chart. Okay, you can move it anywhere around the chart. You can also use it for your trading. So that is it on how to add your indicators and your shapes and line in your trading. Okay, so that is it for this section. Thank you.